1, 2, 3. 2, 3, go! Hi guys! It's Bai and Glide! And today we went to two new stores here in Jacksonville, Asian stores, which is Tesla Life and this is from
Enson
Market.
Market.
Yes. Enson Market
Opened
Opened.
April 2026 this year.
Yeah. And this one just recently.
Yeah, like a week ago.
Yeah. We're gonna compare yung products nila and what we got from it. And first, unahin natin. Ito po.
Ito, yung Teso.
Yeah, Teso. First is yung sa Teso. So, ang cute ng paper bag nila, no, tita?
Yes, yeah.
Very nice. And this is yung brand ata na picture. So, first thing we got is, of course,
The
a
salted
favorite.
egg. My favorite.
Salted egg na chips.
We got Kit Kat 72% cacao.
Yeah. Cacao
Yeah.
chocolate. Another thing we got is parang siyang bread
Yeah.
na ano
This
po
is
ba to?
the
Like
English. Tokyo
Ah,
bread,
cheese
cheese
bread.
bread. So we got the cheese flavor. Tokyo bread, cheese bread.
yeah.
So we heard this is very nice bread. Yeah.
Yan. And this one is another thing na nakita namin online na masarap daw. Jollibee crispy potato fries, seaweed. And we can't wait to try it.
Yeah.
Here for now, we'll show you lang what we got.
And oh, this one, our favorite Japanese noodles.
Yeah, chow mein.
Sapporo Ichiban chow mein. So,
Usual na natin ito binibili.
Yeah.
But it's just like...
we got 6
Yun ang
pieces.
favorite. Where's the other one? Oh yeah, it's 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
We really love this noodle.
Sapporo, baka Kaka-start lang. Baka naman.
Oh,
Zero
yeah,
followers.
we always buy this, no?
Everywhere.
Baka
In
naman.
Rose, in Love,
Yeah.
everywhere. And this one, ano to, tita?
This is the brown sauce for if you want to cook tofu. And then you're gonna mix with ground beef. Ito,
Yum.
masarap to. Like
ready-made na.
yeah, ready-made sauce.
Yes. And another thing we got is frozen wafer sandwich. Kasi naubusan na yung mga ice cream nila,
Yes.
right, tita? So, eto, we want to try at least kahit isang ice cream nila.
Yeah,
And,
it looks good.
yeah,
There's a matcha and
red
red bean
yes.
with wafer.
And what else? Oh, ito chips din.
Yeah.
So, Lay's. Ang daming flavor ng Lay's sa Asian markets. And yung sa Enson, we also got a lot of Lay's. And ito, something different siya sa Teso. I don't think may ganito sa Enson.
Yeah, I don't think so.
So, it's good. It's seaweed sushi flavor. So,
Yeah,
another
looks good.
thing we can't wait to try.
And here we got
Another
2 kinds of
Yes.
yogurt. They said this is very nice, like a baby bottle.
yes.
Yogurt in a baby
Open ba
bottle.
yan?
Parang may,
Parang hindi. Pero, it's like,
oh, like that, and then
Ah.
you will put the chupon.
so, iniinom ba talaga ng mga matatanda yan ng ganyan?
I don't know what. But they said this is really good yogurt drink.
I feel so.
I don't know.
It's probably like Yakult to all the Filipinos out there.
And then this one, we heard that this yogurt
Yeah.
drink also nice. Actually, this is like lactic acid bacteria drink.
Yeah.
Like a Yakult.
Yeah, like Yakult. We love Yakult. It's so expensive. And another thing we got is this one, tita. Ano to?
Oh yeah, it's like a collagen candy.
Ah, collagen.
Yeah, collagen peach flavor candy.
Yeah. Yes.
Product of Korea.
Another candy we got, I believe this is a product of Japan, is parang yung mga stringy gummy. Yung mahabang
Yeah. We will
So,
have a contest
yes.
later.
Paunahan.
Yeah. So we got a yogurt drink flavor.
Yes.
And
Peach flavor.
Peach flavor.
Okay. And of course, our favorite Japan chocolate.
Na napakaliit. Because before, what I'm buying is
Yeah,
yung
the big
ganito, the
one.
big
Tapos
one.
medyo mataba.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. But, ito lang yung meron sila sa Teso. While sa Enson, they didn't have any
Uh-huh.
Choco Baby. Pero, ako favorite ko to tita sa Pinas.
Uh-huh.
Sa Pinas din.
Yes,
yeah.
yeah.
Good. Very good.
Choco Baby.
by Meiji. Meiji's chocolate is always good. Parang wala pa silang chocolate na hindi masarap.
And then we got this parang white chocolate
Na may wafer.
na may wafer cheese.
Yeah.
So parang
Ay,
yung
may
wafer
sweet.
cheese eh.
Oh.
Cheese flavor.
Interesting.
Yes, yeah. So it's showing here bourbon, Alfort mini chocolate and biscuit.
Mm.
Rich cheese flavor.
Yeah.
Product of Japan again.
So, yeah. Kaya hindi ko pa din alam yung ibang binibili kasi kami ni tita nung nasa store kami, parang separate, like get lang ko ano yung magustuhan.
Oh, yeah.
Diba tita? Kaya yung iba, ikaw yung mag-e-estimate kasi hindi ko alam kung ano kinuha ni tita.
So this is like a gummy bear.
Collagen din.
I don't think so, no.
Ah.
Gummy candy only. Gummy candy. And
Tapos
then,
may
mayroon siyang,
palaman.
meron siyang
Nice.
parang peach. I'm not sure if peach or,
Probably peach.
yeah, it looks like peach, no? Inside, like there's a filling inside. So, interesting. So, I said,
Peach nga tita. Ayan.
oh yeah. I said, let's try this.
Yes. So, sa mga snacks, yan yung kinuha namin ni tita. Ayan sila. This, yung iba naming mga binili is like, beauty product.
Yes.
Kasi, one thing we noticed between Teso and Enson, yung Teso pala parang more on department store siya. Wala siya yung mga fresh produce and everything. More on like toys, yun nga, snacks, drinks, mga ganun.
Yeah.
At makeup, skincare, like that. So if you're looking for Asian products na mabibili sa Japan, sa Korea, sa China, they have it at Teso. So yeah, ito yung some products that we bought.
We start with the bar soap, and it's showing here like cow brand. So it's, I don't know, it's kind of interesting. Para siyang pampaputi na soap. So
Yeah.
yun, I said let me try this. Parang good naman.
Yeah. So parang mga milk soaps.
Milk soap,
no?
yes.
Yeah.
And then this
Of
one,
course.
yung ano bang tawag doon? Stick
Pang slick.
Yeah.
Pang slick ng pag
ng hair.
kunwari magbaban ka or like slick ponytail.
Yung walang mga nakatayo. Yun, gagamitin mo to.
Yes. And I think pwede din siya gamitin pag nakalugay, tita. I think ganyan. Para lang
Yes.
look.
Uh-huh.
Para lang freeze. Nice. And another thing we got is this Fino hair mask. So very trending. And wala, ita-try ko lang for the first time. Fino Premium Touch hair mask. And sana mag-work. Kasi sabi, it works for damaged hair. And medyo damaged yung
Feeling mo lang. And then we got this like lip balm. Strawberry, parang strawberry kind or strawberry flavor. So, ang daming kumukuha kanina nung nasa aisle ako.
Oh.
So, sabi ko, maybe it's nice. I will try. And then, last,
Yay!
we
ang
got
last
this
item.
Medicube. So, sabi nila, for my age, I'm 48.
Yeah.
So, ito yung okay na Medicube. Yung PDRN, Pink Collagen Capsule Cream, PDRN Sodium DNA.
Yeah.
So, let's try it.
Korean yan, alam ko pa eh. Korean skincare.
Made in Korea.
Yeah, Korean skincare is really good.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
good reviews.
Yes.
So, same price siya. I checked Walmart selling online, $25. So,
Oh.
in Enso, I mean in Teso, same, 25
Yeah.
something.
So,
So, ito yung mga products na nabili namin sa Enso. And like what Glay said,
Yes.
dito sa Teso, para siyang department store. So, you cannot find there yung mga yung mga frozen, ang konti lang nila. So, kung gusto nyo pa rin ng mga Asian food,
Yes.
lalo yung mga frozen products, produced products, I suggest na you try to visit yung lot, Asian market. Tapos, eto ngang first time rin namin tinry yung Enson market. Sobrang dami ng items,
Yeah.
yung selection nila. And yung pricing nila compared sa lot, much better.
Yes. And actually, di pa nga natin masyado talagang naikot.
Yes.
Pero babalik ka namin yan. We just focus on the snacks now kasi yun talaga yung gusto namin matikman, yung iba't ibang flavor na mga chips and
Yeah.
everything. So, okay, that's it for Teso.
Teso.
And we will move on with the
Enson.
Now, ito naman yung dinay namin sa
Enson market.
Yes. And medyo madami siya kasi nauna tayo sa Enson. nakita.
So when we went there, wala
Yeah.
pang katao-tao.
Yes.
So,
Kaya nakapamili talaga kami. Yun pa pala. Ngayon kasi medyo matao pa sa Teso. So, ang hirap mamili kasi you
Siksikan.
you gotta move pag and ayun. So, mas madami kaming napamili sa Enson and yeah, we really enjoyed it. So,
Yeah.
without further ado, the first thing we bought is this Lay's. Ang dami ng flavor kasi ng Lay's. I can't believe. Garlic butter Lay's. And yeah, parang interesting yung flavor niya. Kasi what we have here, yung mga cheese. Madami ng flavor ang America, don't get me wrong. But it's just like interesting to see something
Yeah.
different.
so you will enjoy the selection
Yes,
there. Sobrang dami. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And then, ang mumura lang.
Yes.
Next is
Oh, that one.
this one. We
Excited.
will try this
Yeah.
potato wedges. And it says honey butter flavor.
Yeah.
Fresh cut potato wedges.
Mm.
Product China.
China, for sure.
Yes. This one. Product China.
And this one, of course, hindi naman sa gusto natin ng salted egg. Meron kaming another type of salted egg na nakita namin doon sa Enson. Kasi, ang tagal na namin naghahanap ni Tita ng salted egg everywhere. Sa lot and sa Filipino market na pinupuntahan namin. Biglang hindi na sila nagbebenta. So, when we saw this, we bought it. And siguro compare din natin kung anong mas nakita. Because this
So
is
every
from
time I go
Enson.
to Asian market, I always look
Yeah.
for salted egg chips.
It's good.
So salted egg company chip, Bacanaman.
My ambition! No, we really love. Ako hindi ako fan ng salted egg, pero yung mga na-taste ko, I mean, hindi ako fan ng salted egg chips, yung iba ko, kasi parang ang ala.
Yeah.
Pero yung last time na nakain natin, it's really
Sarap,
good.
no?
Yeah. So I can't wait to try this.
And then another Lay's. This one is spicy crayfish flavor.
Yeah. Ang cute.
Yeah. So this is very nice. I tried this already. I think from lot. No. From another Asian store. I forgot the
I think
name.
dun yun sa tabi ng hot pot.
Ay,
Bumili ka
oh,
po ba
yes.
doon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one very nice.
Yeah. Ako, I haven't tried that. I think yung na-try ko po yung crab. Yung blue.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So,
We bought different flavor
Yes.
that time.
and another is this Doritos na interesting din kasi yung flavor niya. Kakakain ko lang kasi.
I'm sorry guys. As in, literally, kakakain lang namin. Kaya kung makakabili
Lord.
kayo ng mga burp pa.
So, anyway, another chips we got is the Doritos na American Hot Wings flavor. Wala, interesting talaga. Yung mostly ng chips na kinuha namin yung mga interesting na flavor. Something you won't see here in the US. Of course, nasa Asian store ka na, ba't ka pa mag-stay sa
Yeah.
mga ano.
And then this one, what the flavor again? This one?
I think
It's showing again egg yolk flavor.
Oh, yeah.
And then I feel yung sa Pinas, kung alam niyo yung lumpia.
yeah.
So feeling ko ganun
Yeah.
siya. So we haven't tried this, so I hope it's good.
Yeah.
But since I love egg yolk,
Obviously.
yeah.
Salted
So I
egg.
said let me try this. Looks
Yes.
good.
Yeah. Sabi wafer siya, no, tita?
Uh-huh.
Pero, parang sa picture ng feeling namin, parang siyang lumpia type. Or sa Dubai,
Lumpia
is
chips sa
siip.
Pinas. Yeah, sa Dubai yung siip na
Dubai
gusto
siip.
namin.
Hopefully, it tastes like that. And another chips snacks we got is this, I think it's also Lay's Max na, ano to? Ano to? Ghost pepper, extra chili flavor. Hindi ko masyadong binasa yung flavor kasi gusto ko lang yung
It's kind of scary,
Yeah.
extra.
Kasi may ano siya, may sili talaga sa front and yeah, sana masarap. Thailand ba to? Probably.
Is it? Parang yung...
Yeah, Thailand. Kasi sabi ko, ba't parang iba? Ngayon ko
Uh-huh.
lang napansin. So, that's nice. Try Chinese and then Thai.
So doon sa
Thailand.
Enson Market compared sa Teso. Sa Teso, mostly Japanese and then some Korean products
Yeah.
and then they have some from China. But here in Enson Market, you will find Indonesian products and then Thai products. Like everything, like China,
Yeah.
they have Taiwan products, and then Japanese, and then China, Korea. So you will really enjoy Enson Market.
Yeah.
I can't believe na may nag-open palang Enson Market here in
Yeah.
Jacksonville because we never heard about it. So hindi siya na market masyado.
Yeah.
Unlike yung Teso, talagang pinag-uusapan when they open it. So, guys, try Enson Market.
Yeah.
You will love that store.
Yes, ang daming selection, lalo na sa snacks po, no?
Mhm.
One thing we noticed talaga na sa snacks, sa chips, sa candies, sa cookies, parang mas madami kang mapagpipilian
Yes.
sa Enson. Sa Teso kasi parang more of their store is yun nga, beauty products, and the other half is like more on yung mga slushies,
For
mga
kids.
Okay guys, technical difficulties na low bat.
Sorry, first episode lang namin to.
Yes, so nalabas na namin, pero dun sa last video, itong mga chips lang nakalabas. So, i-discuss ulit namin ni Tita yung mga iba pa namin nakuha.
Yes.
And yeah.
So, dito, ito yung pop cake, purple sweet potato
Yeah.
from Korea.
Yes.
So, it's kind of look interesting kasi normally yung plain flavor lang yung nakikita ko. So, this time, sweet potato flavor. So, I said to Glayan, let's try this.
Yes. And
It's very purple.
Yeah.
And another thing we saw interesting sa Enson is this para siyang Rice Krispie treats, but it's like salted egg. So again, salted duck egg flavor. Cause si Tita, she really loves salted egg. And very expensive ang salted egg here in the US. And I think even in the Philippines, kasi sila Coco po, they have to buy pa sa Singapore para like, kasi mahal nga po. But this one, for this size, is just like $5. $4.99.
$4.99.
So, still na siya. And hopefully masarap siya. Kasi kung masarap siya, edi goods talaga. Kasi mura na. Tapos, masarap pa. So, we can't wait to try this.
Yeah.
Another thing na nakuha namin doon is itong Meiji Cacao 72%. I love dark chocolate and I love Meiji. So, yun. Sabi ko nga kay Tita kanina, yung Meiji na black. And I think familiar din kayo doon kasi yun yung usually nakikita. Ito, pero first time ko to nakita. Pero yung Meiji na black, na-try ko na yun. And I think it's dark chocolate as well. So, itong something different, 72%. And they also have there yung 84 ata or 82%. And then the other one is 95.
Yeah.
Pero sabi Tita, mag-start ka muna dito kasi syempre we all know naman dark chocolate is really mapait. I remember last time na nag-try ako ng 95, I think from Godiva, nag-try Tita yung buong bibig ko.
Yeah. I
so,
cannot eat 95.
try muna natin tong 72. And this one.
This one, Kit Kat.
Yes.
There's a lot of flavor ng Kit Kat sa Enson Market.
Yeah.
And then, we said, let's just pick we never tried salted caramel gold. And we heard that this is a
Really good.
good flavor.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yung iba din ata kasi KitKat doon na-try na natin.
Oh yeah, like
Milo.
matcha.
Yeah, matcha. The strawberry matcha. So yeah, I think this is something new that we will try. And I think that's, ito pala Tita.
Oh, yeah.
Oreo. Oh yeah. So, ito din, another interesting thing we saw doon sa Enson is this Oreo na cheese flavor. Very interesting siya kasi Oreo, diba? We always like cream, chocolate, birthday party, mga ganong flavor po, no? Mantamis lagi. But this one, it's cheese. And I don't know if it's the same with you guys, pero kami kasi ni Tita, whenever we eat snacks, pagkatapos ng matamis, maalat naman, tapos nag-crave na naman kami matamis. So, I think this will be perfect for us. And yeah, excited to try this as well. And,
Ito ba? Nakikita mo
hindi
na?
pa po.
Oh, yan. Pokey.
Na-cut din kasi. Kaya hindi namin alagaan yung mga napakita na namin. But of course, Pokey, isa din to sa mga favorite namin. Like before, we still have to go to Singapore to buy this.
Yeah.
Or magpapasalubong yung tita ko, tapos si tita, sister-in-law niya from Singapore. And so good. And hazelnut crushed siya. But I think this is made in China. Yeah, made in China. So I think, ang tagal ko na kasi hindi nakakain ng Pocky, pero parang different siya. Hi, buddy! Different siya kasi chocolate yung loob niya. I forgot if yung no, hindi chocolate yun. Na-try mo na ba yung hazelnut ng Pocky? Parang hindi chocolate yung wafer nun.
Oo, hindi.
Yeah, so something new din to. And I think that's it for the snacks that we bought, and the rest is parang more on goods sa house. So the first one is, of course, ito, mga ramen. And it's premium gomtang, made in Korea siya. And it's beef flavor. And yeah, usually yung mga soup na iniinom namin ni Tita, yung mga heavily flavored. So last time naka-taste kami ng parang beef lang na soup, and it was really good. So hopefully this is also really good kasi made in Korea naman, so I'm sure it will be good. Pero yeah, we can't wait to try this one. And
then I picked this chunky tomato pasta from Korea also. And I think it will be nice if you will put like yung cheese, yung sliced cheese, tapos magme-melt dito sa pasta. So we will try that.
Yes. And syempre, we will be with you you will be with us then sa pagtatry namin ng things. And what we're most excited about, and last but not the least, is our eggs.
Yeah.
Na matagal na namin hindi nakakain. Firstly is their salted egg. Of course, sa Filipino household, we love salted egg. And yun, lalagyan mo lang ng tomatoes and onion. And ayun nga, sabi ko nga kay tita kanina, no tita, thank God, dati pag wala kang maulam, salted egg, but now, ano na lang, cravings,
Yes.
praise God po. Yeah.
And then, ito ang pinaka-excited kami nung nakita namin.
Yes!
Balut.
Buti gagawin lang. Tita, balut!
Yeah. So, ang tagal ko nang naghahanap sa Filipino store nito, but wala akong makita, hindi available. So, nakakita kami doon. Although 2 pieces is $3.79.
Very expensive.
Yes.
Wala pa kaming suka.
And then we got 3. So, ganyan namin na-miss yung balot.
Yeah. Kasi tita, ilang stores na pinuntahan natin. Tapos nung one time we saw one, kailangan naman pre-order. And our house is not near that store for us to be able na parang pre-order and babalikan namin. So, we're very happy na nakahanap kami ng balut eggs. Yes. So, these are the things that we got from Enson, and these are the things we got from Teso. So, anong masasabi mo, tita, sa experience natin sa...
So, talagang masasabi kong experience na I super enjoy
Yeah.
yung sa Enson Market because pagdating namin doon ng around 9:40, walang katao-tao, and then kala namin wala kaming makukuha doon.
And ayun guys, this time naman, nawala yung clip. We don't know how na-end yung video, but it suddenly ended. Pero what we're just trying to say is, for us, mas patalo talaga yung Enson because ang purpose talaga namin in going to an Asian store is for their food. So, for the Asian food. So, mas natuwa kami sa Enson because they have more selections and they have frozen items there. They have fresh produce and hindi pa talaga namin masyado naikot. Pero, ayun, mas madami yung options nila for snacks, for foods. While yung Teso naman, mas focus sila sa they are really a department store, so they have these cute things na pwede mong pang-gift, mga puzzles, mga plushies, mga collectibles like Sunny Angels, and yeah, meron din pala silang mga makeup products, skincare. So kung ganun yung gusto mong makita, mabili, so you go to Teso. But if you want like food products, then we suggest Enson. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and bye-bye.